Every team served up something that we thought was absolutely delicious, but one team served up 2 dishes that we found really hard to criticise. In other words, we love them. And that team was...
Sam.
Come on, I need a tray.
You happy with cream on the bottom, berries, crushed meringue on top, curd on top?
Yep.
Yep. People are going to start lining up for food, so I lay everything out ready for my eat and mess production line.
I pulled the lime curd out of the fridge, and with the gelatin in it, it's set a little bit too much.
It's a little bit lumpy, won't be as good a texture.
We've been smashing it for 4 hours. I thought we had everything under control, but our curd's lumpy and we don't have any chicken or rice. There's less than a minute till service, and I don't think we're going to be ready.
Keep it up, pick up the pace rate. Come on, guys, 1 minute. I want plates ready to go. Good work, guys, keep it up.
I was really worried about this curd, but I just beat the hell out of it for a couple of minutes, and it finally comes smooth. But our rice and our chicken are still 30 seconds off being able to serve.
Yeah, Sam.
I look behind and the pressure cooker has just finished cooking the rice.
Pour your rice out onto their dice.
Just in time. It's such a relief.
Good work, blue team. Good work. Keep it up.
All teams, you have 10 seconds.
Oh, my gosh.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Service start.
Go, Red, let's go. Ready?
Service starts and I take a moment just to look out at the crowd and holy jeez, it's massive. We're going to be so busy today.
Going well, Mish. Keep pushing. Donut, please.
I'm doing this as fast as I can. Come on, guys. Come on. Push.
Hey.
1 chicken, 2 donuts.
Thank you.
There you go. Love it, Michelle.
One. Donuts coming.
And donut. Cool.
We need to make the most money here. Got the best food.
All right, if I say yellow, you say team. Yellow. Yellow.
Team.
Yellow.
Team.
Yellow.
Team. The yellow team are doing really well. We're starting to hit our stride. We're starting to push out more food. We just have to get in the zone and make as many serves as possible.
Well, here we got the yellow team's cones. We've got popcorn chicken with a sriracha mayonnaise and also ricotta donuts. Yeah. And I got to say, yay, how good is
They look
that?
great.
Really
Yeah.
good.
And really generous.
Ah, delicious.
Yeah. You're going to have to wrestle this one off me.
Yum.
That is just delicious. I mean, I really thought they were going to be in a lot of trouble. They were still cutting chicken with still 15 minutes to go, and they've pulled off something really spectacular. This is crispy, delicious, succulent chicken with a yummy, yummy mayonnaise on the outside of a bit of fresh lime coriander. That's what you want when you're at the market.
Yeah, fantastic. And also well seasoned, like little flakes of salt that just give you a bit of pop of salinity. I think that's a really, really good dish. Brilliant.
Who else is after donuts? Just waiting on donut.
Yeah, coming. So it's definitely time-consuming to fill this donuts with the jam, but I'm getting used to it now, so I think it's all good. Come on, guys.
Need 1 donut.
Yeah, coming.
While Gary's eating the chicken,
Let's see,
should we have a look at the donuts?
They look great, you know, they're golden brown, but they're a little heavier than I'd like them to be.
What I love is the amount of fresh strawberry in there. Good donuts, but not amazing donuts.
Yeah.
That's probably the one tiny negative against the yellow team's dishes.
So the red team's dishes, you know, we got donuts again. Let's just put it out there. So don't forget 3 teams did donuts, but every single one looks different. We'll get to those. They've done a savoury pancake with pulled pork, crispy crackling coriander. And this is handheld.
There's lots of filling.
That looks good.
Mine looks pretty good. Yeah.
And I like the idea that they busted up the crackling and chucked it in and put a few pickled mushrooms in.
Right.
Hard to eat, mind. Very tasty. Did you hear that?
This pancake, perfect. The filling, delicious. Has a handful and a mouthful of food, wonderful.
I love that filling so much. Acidity, sweetness, porkiness, crispiness, herbs, chili. But
You don't like the pancake?
Look at that. I mean, that's just gonna. It's just mine's raw. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
You know, you can see it. Give me a fork, I'll eat that and be super happy.
Yeah.
But that there.
Yeah. This pancake was so inconsistent.
Well, that one's great. That one's average.
Yeah.
This one's
Spoils the vote, doesn't it?
Thank you so much. Sorry about the wait on the donuts.
I'm coming right now. It's worth the wait. Trust me, it's worth the wait.
Can we taste their dessert, their donuts?
Are you a peanut butter and jelly sort of guy?
In a donut? Sounds delicious.
How good's peanut butter and jam?
So where's the jam?
Well,
jam?
OK, so red team had lots of issues with the jam.
Where's the jam?
Well, they did strawberry jam. They had no pectin. They had no agar-agar. And it was just a wet mixture. So they've turned it into a glaze, but that really hasn't done anything. Oh, I'm getting loads of peanut butter, and it's...
It's like sticking to the roof of your mouth.
It needs the jam.
Do you want all the pork skewers on one plate or not?
Separate, please.
These are going out so quickly. People are really loving it. And it's all worth the wait.
Oh, thanks so much.
We've got 1 hour of service to go, and I actually think time is going so slowly. I feel like I've served hundreds of people already, and I can't imagine that we're only halfway through.
One more pork for you, extra crackling. Here we go. See ya. Thank you. Let's go, guys, on that mango. Come on, mango, let's go.
I'm mangoing as fast as I can.
This is the green team, 2 dishes. Sticky pork with mango, and also the donuts with caramelised pineapple. Well, they had a real struggle. I mean, they used the domestic pressure cookers to cook pork belly. I mean, the idea was to maybe feed 300+ people off a stand. And in reality, I think they got 50 portions out of it.
Not very much pork on that skew, haven't they? Let's see how it is.
Crackling everywhere.
Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
That combination of the crackling, the mango and sticky sauce. Now, that's delicious. That's the stuff I love.
You know, soft braised pork, that's good char, good sweetness on the pork as well. I think it's really delicious. But then you got a lot of sweetness from the mango as well.
Yeah.
I would have liked a bit more acid, you know, a little squeeze of lime juice, something just to freshen it up, but it is super delicious.
Yeah, but I like it because the pork's soft, it's beautifully cooked. I mean, I love the char on it. I love the sticky sauce. I know it's sweet, but, you know, it's part of the course as far as I'm concerned. And you know I love pork crackling.
Yeah, I know,
so,
but that's just a given.
I've got double crackling. I've got this one, and then it's all crushed and stuck over the mango salad.
Here we go. Enjoy. See ya. Thank you. 1 pork, 1 donut. No worries. Keep up the donuts, Eloise.
I'm going as quickly as I can. I'm feeling amazing right now. I've done nothing but play with donuts all day, and I love donuts, so I couldn't be happier.
Guys, can we get a cheer for the green team?
Right, let's taste the dessert, the donuts.
Oh, dear. Really nice, super light, super fluffy donut.
The only thing that I mind is the fact that if I went to the same stand and got 2 dishes, it becomes a little bit one-dimensional because it's all sticky, all syrupy, all sweet.
Yeah.
But donuts are delicious.
I think the green team's done a really good job in terms of exploiting the skewer in lots of different ways.
Yeah.
Great
Food's
work.
good.
Give me a B. Give me an L. Give me a U. Give me an E. We're going really well. I'm loving it. And we're just all multitasking.
Daisy, 3 chicken, please. Ray, once you get those dropped in, can you help Daisy with the plating? The chicken's really popular. It's been flying out the door. I wish I could put the price higher than $10, but it is what it is. Just a bit behind on the chicken plate. Okay. I know the quality of our dishes will be up there with the best.
Good price.
I'm a little bit worried about the money side of things, though. I know we'll start in the first 15 or 20 minutes. It could come back to bite us in the bum.
Blue team, and we said right from the beginning, we thought their menu was brilliant. And, you know, looking at their 2 dishes, the karaage, the chicken with the sushi rice, the pickles and the mayonnaise, and their eaten mess. They look both fantastic.
Yeah, the mess particularly looks really good.
$10 for that, that's a bargain.
Yep.
$8 for that.
That's a bargain.
I mean, there's a lot of work in there, you know, let's not underestimate it. I think this is beautiful. I like this taste.
See if it backs it up with some flavour.
Oh, there's something sticky on the bottom, huh?
Yeah, it's like a teriyaki sauce. That's quite nice.
I love that kind of teriyaki sauce at the bottom. The pickles are fantastic, particularly those cucumber pickles are really, really good. Chicken, beautifully cooked, great and golden.
I think it's really well balanced. You certainly get value for money. And finding that teriyaki sauce is a nice little surprise,
nice
isn't it?
little surprise.
So I'm very impressed with that.
And how good does that look?
You know what? The whole time I was eating this, all I was doing was looking at the Eden mess, because I think it's very, very, very pretty.
Oh, yeah.
That's just made my day.
Oh, my gosh.
Sugar, cream, fruit, done.
Not too sweet, not too cloying. The cream, you know, eat mess, sometimes people overwhip the cream and it becomes buttery.
It's got to be billowy.
It's got to be
light billowy, yeah.
And those meringues, they're really crispy, crunchy, and...
I like that.
Yeah, bomb. You know, the only mistake they've made here, that's not $8, that's $10.
Take this away from me before I eat more. So let's start with the food that we love the most. Every team served up something that we thought was absolutely delicious, but one team served up 2 dishes that we found really hard to criticise. In other words, we love them. And that team was... the blue team.
I'm so stoked we've won this. First team challenge as captain. I'm so proud of the blue team. They absolutely smashed it, and the quality of the dishes is unbelievable.
The second team that's safe for elimination, who sold $4,158 worth of food, is... the green team.
Green team has raised $4,158, and we're not in elimination. Awesome day. Almost swore just then, sorry.